Why'd you click on this video? Don't answer that. You're gonna watch me play Bruce Lee 2. It's an old game. I used to play it back as a kid. I don't know what I'm gonna get into now. Anyway, I'm not gonna do the introduction thing. Just go on with the gameplay. Just whatever. I'm gonna be playing some music because there's nothing playing, and it's just his feet just tapping along like a broken gasket. I haven't played this game in years. I played this back as a kid. Oh, I can punch, but I'm guessing this is a gate. Okay. I'm supposed to like collect something. Can't touch the tree. I haven't played this in years. Not a minute. Oh! Am I collecting bells? Fruit? Hey, back up. Oh, I can. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I thought he hit me. That's clearly a sword. Let's go for it. Oh, he followed me. What's up? Oh, no. Oh, no. Can I, like... I don't know. I wouldn't... What? There's one thing to do.
Nope.
Failed. But like I was saying, I didn't play this game in like years. It's been... I forgot all about this game. And all the other games I played back as a kid, I forgot all about those. But for some reason, this game... I haven't played this game in a long time. And I don't know how long it's been, but... What are those? That's not fish. Galaga? It's not fish. I don't want to touch them to find out what they are. I'm gonna wait. I know I gotta collect these, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Okay, Bruce Lee got some hops, but this don't like Bruce Lee. This is like orange guy. I don't think you guys know who that is. I don't feel safe. Get out! Oh, the leg. He could have grabbed me. Could have swiped me. Could have done anything. And go up. Down. Go up. Should I collect those? No, I can't. Just go. What the? I can't go. Oh, I'm dying. So I can die underwater. Of course. Duh. That's unfair. I have 2 falls. When was that? I'm not paying it. Stop. Breathe. Go up. Time this. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna fail. Oh, okay. Open that. Feels like a trap. Oh, okay. I'm doing pretty good. I say that now. Where am I supposed to go? Whoa, wait, I can kick and jump? Whoa. I'm just lost. Wait, the fish? Oh. Oh no. Okay, now I remember how it used to look. Nah, you're not gonna get me, so don't even try it. Okay, let me see if I can do it.
Nope.
I can do it! I can! Oh, wow. No, not that. Okay. Wow, I didn't know I could do that. Kick and jump. Wow. Why do I... I keep just jumping. Oh, wow. Oh! Trap's not even open. I'm going down the sewer real quick. Go down here. Come up. Alright. Fall. Yo, kick. Oh man, I don't forget about this one. Ugh. Oh! 2 lives left.
Nope.
Grab it! Okay, just fall. Let me try. I see him right there. Okay. Ooh. Oh man, I've never made it this far before. Never. Never made it this far before. Ever. Oh, that's a life. What did that do? What is that? I know Bruce Lee can kick and jump at the same time. And there he is. And there you go. Alright. Let me go back. Let's see what this is. I've never made it this far. And kick! Excuse me. Oh, I can't even get up here. Anyway. Kick, jump. Oh! I think I was onto something. What's up here? Oh! Yeah! 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 Oh no! Get it out of my way! No! I gotta do that again? Come on. Oh, timing's off. Move! Ugh, too close. Ah! Too soon. No, get. Stop. I need to stop holding the button. Am I supposed to jump? Jump. What did I grab? No, he popped in. I thought I grabbed something without looking. Okay, go up here. Excuse me? It looks like I can go over there, but I'm not gonna try it.
Nope.
Oh, cool. Should I just fall? Or should I keep going? If I fall and I'm gonna keep going. I know I should fall. For some reason, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I don't know what I landed on. Oh!
Surprise,
Oh! Oh! Oh, this was a trap. I'm glad I kept going. Can't fall down. No, I can't. Wait. I'm out. No, I'm not gonna deal with you at all. Get out of here. Not me. Nope. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Nope. 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 Man, you guys suck. Let's try. Whoa. detail in this game. A lot of parkouring. How you miss? You suck. You got a sword and I don't. Oh man. I didn't mean to go that way. I'm excited. Go back where you came from! Well, that was a fail.
Nope.
What? Wow. He grazed my arm. I have 1 life left.
Square up.
Oh! Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't kick him. Boom! Oh. He's different. I think you gotta punch. Oh, I can hit him. Oh, he's bigger than me. He's bigger than me. He got an afro. All I got is a bob cut. Move. He almost. No! You wanna come back? Are they gonna come back? You gotta grab these and get out of here. Oh, he came back. No! Move! Oh no! I'm trying to. Oh, I'm about to get bodied. Oh, I'm still alive. Oh. Okay, he's going. Get out of here. Oh, I see what you guys are doing. All them tasty lives up there. No, it jumped. Come over here. Miss me. Suckers. Oh, that was stressful. Okay. No. Okay. Oh. Grab. No. It's one we're sitting right there. I gotta get to it. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, I missed. Yes! Oh, yeah! No. You can't even jump. You weren't programmed to jump, stupid. Can I even make that? Can I make that? Made it. Give me that. What did it do? Did it move the dragon? Oh, it moved this. Go down. Sir. Oh! No, you don't. No! Move, get down there. Oh no, I'm wasting them. God, why? Move. Power slide. Okay. Oh, collect them too. Oh, into that spike. Go. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Hi. Had a stroke. Had a mean stroke just now. Okay, that's closed off. Oh, I never made it this far. Give me that. Oh! Oh! You get it next. Slide. We're supposed to go. Go this way. Go this way. Oh, I'm down to 1 life left. Move. Oh no. I missed. No. Move. I'm supposed to grab that. Oh. I'm stupid. Okay. Oh no! Go, 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 go. You can't climb, stupid. Okay. Got it. Okay, that's one. That's one. Okay, I can't climb back down. Yes. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, I messed up. Oh no, the ladder. Okay, I can get it now. Oh my, come on. Move, man. Okay. Grab, go, run, fall. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Wait, I have to do that. They're gonna come down here. Move! I don't know! No! No! Oh! Okay, extra life. Oh, I thought it was over with. Come on, hurry.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
So good. Come on. No! Oh! Ah! No!